Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This is the original OG Millennium Falcon, not the reissued that just came out this year here in 2023. I did the original video review for this kit 8 years ago, and I wasn't happy with the video or the audio, and I have new equipment now, so I wanted to redo this video for you and show you all the details for this original 1996 kit. Anyway, I lost the box. It was water damaged, so therefore I can't show you the box art again. I am showing you a replay of my original upload for the box art. But this kit is fantastic back in its day, and I'll be showing you a review of the latest release by MPC Round 2 and just show you the differences between the improved kit and this kit. So let's get started on the review. In 1989, Lucasfilms authorized production of a scale model kit, and that was produced by MPC ERTL, and this represents the second boxing of this kit, which came out in 1996 by MPC. And AMT also had their hands in it, because that's what my instructions show that came with this kit. If you look at the bottom side here, we actually do have a stamping here that says 1996 Lucasfilm Ltd. I'll look at that a little bit closer a little later. But that's what that looks like. Here's the bottom side of the main hull, and back in the day this is what we had. It was the only game in town, and this was a fantastic detail. The stamping on this represents, it says ERTL 1989 LFL, which is Lucasfilm Ltd. And then it goes on, it says 1996 Lucasfilm Ltd. So it has all those on there. Let's look at these in detail. Here's a close-up of the deck, which shows the engine exhaust. Now these details here are kind of sparse as compared to some of the modern kits out there by Bandai and Fine Molds, and even the D'Agostini Collectibles Millennium Falcon. But you can see the details were quite good for back in the day, back in 1989. Nothing changed on this until now, and I'm not really sure they did anything with this on the new issue that came out this year in 2023. Here's one of the panels there. And there's the detail there on top again, continuing on. And right there again, near the antenna dish. The mandible detail. The top of the front ramp area. The other mandible detail. And the top of the fuselage. the top of the cockpit. More detail there. And that's there. And that section there by where the gunner would be. And that's what's still stamped underneath. Here's the bottom of the hull, and this is the back end where the exhaust is. Again. And again. Here's the details there. Landing gear opening. Again, both landing gear openings there. More details there. And the bottom details. Details by the front landing gear opening. And more details by the landing gear opening there. And underside details near the front of the mandible and the landing gear opening. Again, mandible detail from the underside. The other mandible. The other landing gear opening. The underside where the ramp is. Here's the sprue tree with parts I'm sure you're familiar with. The airlock, canopy, antenna dish, the guns. The other side shows us the details in the engine work areas. Let's get a closer view. Some of the engine openings, all the details contained in there. Again. And again. The back of the antenna. Gun details. Top of the gun mount. Airlock. And some of the panels, part of the gun. Antenna dish. Some of the panels. Chairs for the flight deck. And the canopy, which is not correct. It's missing some of the framing that's involved here. No detail on the inside there either. And here's some of the parts for the next tree. This is one of the tops of the gun mount. Another airlock and some panels. And some details for the openings. Landing gear details. Landing gear feet. Here's the clear parts for the exhaust. can see mine are cracked. More clear parts. Canopies for the gun sights. And clear part for the canopy. Of course, the studio models did not have this, so you can opt to leave it out if you want. Here's a close-up of some of the parts found on the next tree, which contains all the side panels. The ramp. Now here's the side panels. These were definitely improved on the new release for this kit. And the figures. More seats for the cockpit. The bottom of the cockpit. More details on a panel. Another detail. And no wheel bay detail at all here. And the cockpit detail. Here's the instruction for this kit. Right there. And that was a review of the original OG Millennium Falcon from 1996. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash that like button. Happy modeling and take care.